Struggling with back and forth texts just to book clients? You're not alone. Acuity scheduling promises to streamline all that, but does it truly deliver? Let's dive into what it does best, where it trips up, and if it's a smart choice for your setup. Acuity scheduling is a long-standing player in the appointment scheduling world, and for a lot of service businesses, it's a go-to. In this video, I'll walk you through its core features, how the latest pricing works, what users love, what frustrates them, and who will actually benefit most. Acuity is more than just a calendar. It offers real-time client self-booking, automated reminders, customizable intake forms, secure payments, and multi-staff support, all wrapped in a polished, brandable booking interface that works on web and mobile. Need group classes or handling multiple locations? Acuity's built for that. It handles recurring sessions, subscriptions, gift cards, deposits, even loyalty tools, and HIPAA compliance is available at the higher tier, so healthcare providers can play too. Pricing plans and what you get. Here's how Acuity's pricing stacks up. Emerging $20 per month and $16 per month annually. One staff or location, unlimited appointments/services, client self-scheduling, payments via Stripe, PayPal, Square, time zone auto-adjust, and basic branding. Growing $34 per month and $27 per month annually. Adds SMS reminders, appointment packages, memberships, gift certificates, and up to 6 staff locations. Powerhouse, $61 per month and $49 per month annually. Up to 36 staff locations. Multi-time zone support. Removal of Acuity branding. BAA for HIPAA. Custom API and CSS access. Enterprise. Custom pricing, unlimited instances, dashboards, advanced APIs, dedicated onboarding, and account management. Acuity doesn't have a free plan, but offers a 7-day trial, no credit card required. What users love. Client convenience, self-booking and calendar syncing, reduce admin hassle, and back-and-forth emails. Feature depth, from intake forms to payment integration and class scheduling. Acuity handles real business workflows, customization and branding, a polished interface, form customization, and even CSS tweaks at higher plans. Automations that work, reminders, intake forms, and loyalty tools help reduce no-shows and streamline client engagement. Many users highlight how it feels professional, keeps things organized, and has significantly cut down scheduling chaos. Where it can fall short, no free tier. You're limited to a short trial before you must commit. Pricing can escalate. As you add locations or team members, costs jump. Powerhouse plan isn't cheap. Learning curve. More features means a bit more complexity. The interface isn't as slick or intuitive as simpler tools. Mobile app limitations. Reviewers find that the mobile experience falls behind the web version in functionality. Support feedback varies. Some users report that navigating support for setup or billing can be frustrating. If you're running a service-based business and need a flexible, robust scheduling solution, especially one that handles payments, appointments, and client intake, Acuity is a top-tier choice. But if you want something ultra-simple, low-cost, or are bouncing between candidates, do test everything during the trial, especially if you're a solo user tight on budget. To wrap up, Acuity Scheduling is a powerful scheduling engine, ideal for businesses that need automation, customization, and professionalism. If this helped you, tap like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what business are you running and which features matter most to you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.